Wanted to explain my theory that I've hypothesized on how dimensions interact with each other and how the connection is made. We're going to do from the first dimension to the fourth dimension. Uh, us being three-dimensional creatures, we'll start with us. So let's say we wanted to interact with a two-dimensional, right? Well, the dimension would have to be a lower dimension for us as a third and for the two-dimensional. So we'd have to interact on a one dimension, which would be like drawing a stick figure on a paper, and then you also standing on top of that same piece of paper. Now, you're both on that one-dimensional plane, but you're three-dimensional, it's two-dimensional. So you still can't interact with that two-dimensional, right? You can't just take your finger and push that stick figure over, right? In the same way that applies is like how the fourth dimension and us as a third dimension would interact on the second dimension, which would be like a Ouija board. Now, you still can't push over the letters on the board, but you can use third dimensional oracle, which would be the thing you move across the top of it. And then, because this is lesser, this is on the second dimension, so the fourth and you as a third can interact on that one, right? But yeah, basically, whatever dimension you are, you can see, and the dimensions down before, which you can't see past. And the only way to interact with a dimension that is above or below, like if it's just above or just below, is you both have to interact on a dimension that is lower than both of your dimensions. That is my theory. If anyone knows more about this and could maybe point me into the right direction, give me some advice, maybe if I've made a mistake here, point it out to me. um, and yeah, I would appreciate that. If you want to try and add me as a friend on Monkey Chat, my name is Snake. So there's that. Yeah, peace.